Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share this haul with you guys today. You know we are shopaholics, and especially in the age of COVID, what else is there to do other than shop, right? So I have been going a little shopping crazy for your benefit, because then you get to see a lot of fun things. So guys, I have Louis Vuitton, I have some Zimmermann, I have Off-White. But first things first, if you are new to the channel, my name is Erica. I hope you love the channel enough to subscribe. And before I show you my first item, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Shoptagr, one of my favorite companies to work with, because I use Shoptagr all the time, and you're gonna see that in the video today. The first item I want to share with you is actually from Zimmermann. Those of you who are longtime subscribers know I am absolutely obsessed with Zimmermann. You have seen time and time again because I buy something from them every season. Now here's the deal with Zimmermann. They are really expensive, guys. So I never buy anything full price from them. I actually think I might have like one or two pieces where I paid full price, but I typically wait for their after season sale. So let me unbox this first item. This is a blouse. Check this out. It is from Intermix. Okay. Now here's the thing about Zimmermann. The differentiator with them is the quality of the clothes, the fit of the clothes, the design, the construction. It does not fit like a outfit. Okay. It is superb. Absolutely incredible on with the puffy sleeves. Look at the detail with the piping, and then look at this. Look at all the covered buttons on this shirt. Now here's the best part about this. I scored this on sale with the help of Shoptagr. Guys, this was originally $550. I got this for $180. Okay, anything Zimmermann with a 1 in front of the price, you're doing really good. It is absolutely unreal and unheard of. Okay, so that's why you will see I am addicted to Shoptagr. I have several items that I want to share with you because they let me know when things go on sale. So Shoptagr is like your 360-degree shopping assistant. Okay, you know, for like good deals, sometimes a matter of a few minutes matters, right? Or something is sold out. If you don't have extra help, you typically miss out on the best deals. You know, and Shoptagr will let me know on my email or phone notifications that something went on sale, so I can go ahead and I can buy it right away. So guys, I want to show you how Shoptagr works because Thanksgiving Black Friday sales are upon us. Let me show you how easy it is to download Shoptagr. Type Shoptagr on your address bar, and then here you're going to see this button, Get Shoptagr, and it's completely free. Create a new account by entering your information. And then right here, you're going to see Add to Chrome. And voila, you are in. Next, just go to your favorite retailer. And once you see an item that's on your wish list, just click on it. Click on your Shoptagr button. You're going to select which size you're interested in. You're going to select when you want to be notified, and in my case, I want to be notified if there's any price change. And then what I love about it is that you can add this directly to a list. And I already have a Zimmermann list going, and I'm going to save. And there you go. Once this beautiful dress goes on sale, Shoptagr is going to let me know. Now I want to show you my dashboard. Look at this, how cool. You can actually create lists to make it easy for you to organize your wish list. So if we go to my Zimmermann list right here, you can see all of the Zimmermann items that I have saved. This can actually help you organize your wish list and really have a mood board for everything that you want to purchase. So I'm going to add this dress to my bag. Now look, once the item gets added to my bag, Shoptagr automatically searches to see if there are any coupons available for this item. And if there are any coupons, it will automatically apply to your cart. One final thing that I want to mention is that Shoptagr has just added a cashback feature. So on top of notifying you when your favorite item goes on sale, Shoptagr also lets you make money back when you shop certain retailers. So now that you know how Shoptagr works, make sure you click the link in the description box below so you download Shoptagr and you can get notified when your favorite items go on sale, either on your phone or on the web. Now, let's go to the next item on this haul, which was also scored with the help of Shoptagr. Okay, so the name of this brand is called Rotate. Let me show you the tag right here. rotate. This brand is not ultra expensive like Zimmermann, because you know a Zimmermann dress is like $1,000, right? Rotate is more like $300, $350. But again, the fit, the quality of the fabrics is absolutely insane. And then if you can score these dresses on sale, you will get amazing quality for an amazing deal. Okay, so I had an eye on this dress. I mean, look at this baby green color. Look at the puffy sleeves. You know I have an addiction to puffy sleeves. And it's a short dress with a V cut. And then it has a zipper on the back. This is a party dress. So here at the bottom, there's a little bit of a ruffle action going on. And then the weight of the fabric. I feel like that is the difference, you know, when you buy something that is good quality. The weight of the satin, and then how they do the pleating for the puffy sleeves. It has a little bit of a shoulder pad right here to keep the sleeves kind of like nice and tall. Oh my gosh, check this out. I need to tell you the price on this, guys. You're not gonna believe. So the original price of this dress is $350, and I scored it for $80. Less than $100. And if you try it on, you will see what an incredible deal this is, because it really is amazing. Let's switch gears now and go for a little Louis Vuitton. And I have an item that I had been wanting for a while. So let's unbox this baby together. Open the little box. Comes in this little pouch. And ta-da! These are Louis Vuitton gold earrings, and I am absolutely obsessed with them. I wanted to buy these earrings for months and months, and they were always sold out. And I ended up going to my local Louis Vuitton store here in Orlando. Let me try them on for you. And I just couldn't even believe that they had them. And I just saw that they launched a silver version. Check this out. Check the bang for this buck. I actually technically already wore these earrings for my last video, in case you have seen them already, but I wanted to do a proper unboxing and kind of tell you a little bit about my impression of it, because I have worn it already. But these earrings, guys, they are so cool. They are like so visible. They photograph so well. Like sometimes I'll take a photo with them and you can see from a mile away, you know, my killer hoops. It's a lot of bang for your buck. Like it is a look for sure. I'm not very much of a hoop person personally, but when I saw these, I just think you put a regular frumpy sweater and then you put these earrings and you look like $1,000,000. They don't stay kind of like straight like that and you cannot see anything. They actually kind of stay opened up a little. Check this out. You see what I'm saying? So you can kind of like see the LV, like look like a baller. You know what I mean? Because if you're not looking like a baller, why are you even buying it, right? I mean, who are we kidding here, right? Now, I get a lot of questions about this being heavy. And guys, it is slightly heavy. I don't think it is unbearably heavy. I kind of like that it's heavy because it shows the quality of the earring. It's not one of those earrings that you're gonna grab and you can tell it's like totally hollow inside and like super cheap. But it really doesn't bother me. I mean, bottom line, I mean, guys, I have droopy ears. Like this ear specifically for me is pretty droopy, no matter which kind of earrings I wear. So I really don't care, to be honest. They don't bother me at all. Like, I don't even remember I have them on. It's not like I'm like, ugh, this is heavy. You know what I mean? So for me personally, this was not an issue. The price was $875. I told you guys I am focusing on real jewelry for a while, but there are some key pieces that are a lot bang for your buck. And, you know, earrings of this magnitude in real gold would be $10,000. You know what I mean? So every now and then I will make an exception, but I will tell you that 90% of my pieces that I bought this year have been real jewelry. All right, next item is a dress, and I also scored this dress with the help of Shoptagr, who notified me when this baby went on sale. Check this out. This is from a brand called Rococo Sand. Again, another incredible brand with amazing quality for dresses. And here's the story with this dress, guys. I have another one identical to this one. I wear it so flippy much because it's so easy, you know, like you have the elastic top, it is super flowy, and then the gorgeous kind of like flowy sleeve. And when I saw the same dress in a different print, I wanted it. Now, here's the deal. Again, Rococo Sand runs around $300, $400 for a dress because the fabrics are more noble, the fit is better, it's a higher quality brand. This one was on sale from $340 to $109. Next item is from Off-White, and this is my first pair of shoes from Off-White. Guys, I bought this it's been a while, and I just realized I forgot to unbox it for you to see, and I am absolutely in love with this, so I have to share. Off-White is not a brand that I buy all the time, and I love it so much that I want to help you get out of your box a little bit. Outside of our usual box, which is what? Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, Hermes, right? Sometimes we have to venture out a little bit more. So as you can tell, it is a pair of sandals. Now here they are. This is what they look like. These sandals are so sexy. I cannot tell you how sexy these sandals are. Maybe when you look on video, they don't look like all that, okay? Maybe they don't look like much, but damn, oh damn, do they pack a freaking punch of style. So let me show you the detail up close. So here's how it happens, guys. It goes in between your toes right here, and then it goes around your ankles, kind of nice and high. And then this tag right here for Off-White kind of like sticks out on your ankle, but this looks like $1,000,000. And then, so right here, you unbutton it and you can kind of regulate how tight it gets. But here's what I love about this the most. Have you seen the trend where you actually wrap your sandals around the bottoms of your pants and make your pants like nice and tight at the bottom? This is perfect for that. So it looks so fashion, guys. Again, I got this on sale with notification from Shoptagr. The original price, I think, was like $780, and I got this for $434. All right, last item on this haul, which is the biggest item of them all. Louis Vuitton again. Let's open it up. It's a blue box. There you go. And check it out. Check it out. I got my pair of arch lights finally. I cannot even believe I got these shoes. It has been on my list for a long time. I am really casual lately when I go out and about. You know, in this age of COVID, we don't go to fancy places anymore, you know, so my outings in Orlando is like going to Disney Springs or going to walk around a Universal City Walk. So I wanted something super stylish and super comfortable. So my new babies, there you have it. Check this out. So I chose the white ones with the logo detail, with the monogram canvas detail. I wanted white shoes because most of my outfits in Florida are pretty light. It has like the LV logo right here. And then check this out. Look at how beautiful. So here are both of them together. For me to spend $1,100 on a pair of sneakers, it has to be some pretty banging sneakers, you know. And I think in terms of the chunky sneakers, the LV ones are the coolest ones of them all. I mean, I'm sorry, I don't like the Balenciaga ones very much. I don't like the dirty looking Balenciaga ones. I don't like anything that looks old or dirty. And I feel like the design of it is amazing. Like the back, you know, it looks different. You can tell from a mile away that these are not your just regular $100 sneakers, right? These sneakers are super comfortable on my feet. But a disclaimer here, I have super skinny feet. I don't know if it will be the same situation for someone that has wider feet, but I will tell you that for myself, the fit of it around here is absolutely perfect. I can tell it's a little bit tight on the top, so I loosen up the laces quite a bit to let it be super comfortable. But once I do that, they are really nice in terms of the fit on the inside. If you have wider feet, I really recommend you try them on before you order. Now, my only complaint about this is that you see this lip right here? It's a monogram canvas lip. This thing comes from the inside of the shoe, guys. This hurt my freaking ankle so bad. Monogram canvas is super stiff, right? So this thing is like like a nail file, okay? And it really hurt me the first few times that I wore it. And I mean, can I wear socks? Yeah, so now I'm wearing socks with it and then it doesn't bother me. But just realize that for the socks to protect you, the socks have to come up really high, right? Because if you put just like the ankle socks, they actually they stop right here, okay? So you wouldn't protect your feet from the lip. So you have to wear pretty high up socks, which I don't like anymore. But I'll tell you, after wearing a few times, the canvas is softening quite a bit. So I feel like eventually it won't bother me anymore. It's kind of how I feel right now. But just a heads up, I got them on my true size, so 39.5 was the size that I got, and I feel like they fit me perfectly. I had to order them online. I'm not very happy. The box came a little bit destroyed. I wasn't too thrilled about that. But overall, I love them. What a killer look when you are able to travel again, to go to the airport in your cool LV sneakers, you know what I mean? Guys, so that's it for my haul today. I hope you got some good tips on the items that I bought today. Don't forget to go check out Shoptagr in the link in the description box below. Make sure you download it because you're gonna score some amazing deals just like I did, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to hang out with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.